piece of paper under your chair. Samantha, do we have any absence today? None, Mom. So, before we start our lesson, last meeting, I give you an assignment, right? Yes, Mom. Okay, bring out your assignment, exchange paper with your seatmates, and let us check. Read the direction first.
Find the circumference of each circle. Use 3.14 for the value of 5.
So, who wants to answer number 1? Yes, Samantha? Okay. Number 2? Yes, Vanessa? Number 3? Yes, Ira? Number 4? Yes, Trisha? Number 5? Yes, Samantha? So let's check. Number 1, 7.36 yes. Number 2, 15.17. Number 3, 1,695. Number 4, 62.8. Number 5, 3.678. Who got 5? 4. 3. Okay, give yourself a TikTok laugh. Did you know TikTok laugh, class?
No, Mom.
Okay, repeat. I will do the clap and after that, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, whoa. Okay, last time. Before we proceed to our main lesson, let's have a short recap regarding the lesson that we discussed last time. So what is the lesson that we discussed last time? Yes, Vanessa?
The lesson we discussed at the last meeting is about the circle's circumference.
So what is the circle of circumference? Yes, Ira?
The circumference is the distance around the circle.
So do you have any questions about the lesson that we discussed last time?
None, Mom.
So I have an activity here. All you need to do is follow the step and do this activity. And after that, I will call 3 students to present their work and explain what they observe or what they see in their work. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to do this activity. Next, Trisha. Very good, Trisha. Do you have any questions, class?
None, ma'am.
So our lesson for today is all about find the area of a given circle. And our objective is, can you read it, class?
The learners demonstrate understanding of area, volume, and temperature. The learners is able to apply knowledge of area, volume, and temperature in mathematical problems and real-life situations. The learner is able to find the area of a given circle.
You have learned from our previous lesson that the distance around a circle of a circumference. Meanwhile, if you wanted to know the space covered by the distance by the circle is, all you need to do is watch and listen carefully about this video. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Smile and learn! Hello, friends. Today we're going to explain how we calculate the area or surface of a circle. Many of you are asking yourselves, what is it? What is it for? A circle is a plane figure whose boundaries are circumference. This means that the circle is everything the circumference includes. Or in other words, the circle is the inside of the circumference. Because a circle is a plane figure, we measure the area or surface of the circle in square yards, square inches, square miles. As you can see in this picture, the area of the circle is the total number of square units that fits inside the circumference. First off, let's recap some parts of the circle. Here's the center, and this is the radius. To find the area of the circle, we multiply pi by the radius squared. Meaning we multiply pi by the radius that is multiplied by pi itself. Also remember that for every circumference in the world, number pi is represented by the Greek letter pi. And it's an infinite number. 3.141592653589793238. The digits go on and on. In everyday life, this number is shortened to 3.14 to express it in a simple way. Let's practice. The radius of this circle is 6 inches. To find the area of the circle, we should multiply pi by the radius squared. In other words, multiply it by itself. Then we should multiply the result by pi. This means that 6 squared equals 36. And if we multiply 36 by 3.14, we would get 113.04. That's it. The area of the circle equals 113.04 square inches. This means that 113.04 squares fit in this circle, each measuring 1 square inch. It's very important to know how to measure the area of a circle. Let's look at an example. Anna wants to buy some fabric to make a new tablecloth. The table is round and its radius measures 50 inches. How much fabric will she need for the table? To find out, we should calculate the area of this round table. Remember that we should square the radius. In other words, multiply it by itself, then multiply the result by pi. Let's see. 50 squared squared equals 2,500. And 2,500 multiplied by 1.14 is 7,850. Great. And need 7,850 square inches of fabric to make a new tablecloth. Pay close attention. If we were patient enough to count them, we can see that there are exactly 7,850 squares on this tablecloth, each measuring 1 inch. I don't think I'm going to count them now. I'd rather calculate the area of other round objects instead, like a one like light, for example. Would you like to try measuring yours? See you around.
We learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn.
So, class, do you listen carefully?
Yes, Mom.
If you listen carefully, what is the video all about? Yes, Prisha?
The video is all about how to calculate the area of a given circle.
Very well said. So, what is a circle? Yes, Ira?
A circle is a plane figure whose boundaries are absolute.
Okay, precisely. So, what are the two parts of the circle that was mentioned to find the area of the circle? Yes, Vanessa?
The two parts of the circle that has been mentioned are the center and base.
Yes. Very good. Very well said. So, how can we find the area of a circle? Yes, Samantha?
To find the area of a circle, should multiply the height by the radius squared.
Okay, when we say radius squared, we will multiply by itself. When we say, so how we can multiply by itself? For example, 3 squared. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So is that clear, class?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Our formula is A is equal to 5 times radius squared. What is the formula once again?
A equal to 5 radius squared.
Okay. So what is the value of 5?
3.14.
Okay, very good. So I have another example here. So our formula is A is equal to 5 radius squared. So what is the given for what is the value of 5?
3.14.
3.14. Then what our given?
6 inches.
6. So bring down 3.14. What is the square root of 6? 6.36. Very good. So 3.14 times 36 is equal to 113.04. Did you understand, class?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's proceed to your to next for the next example. Can you read, class?
A street sweeper is working in her area when she noticed an open manhole. For the safety of the pedestrians, she knows that she must find a cover for the manhole. She found a whole manhole. Cover is their stock room that has stock surface area of 3,000 square meter equivalent. If the diameter of the open manhole is 60 centimeters,
Yes, Tisha.
The first thing that we need to do is to substitute the given that we have on the problem.
So, do we have any given radius? None, ma'am. If we don't have any given radius, how we can get it? Yes, Vanessa?
For us to get the value of our radius, we should divide our diameter into 2.
Very well said. So, what would be the given for our radius? Yes, Ira?
60 centimeter over 2 is equal to 30 centimeter.
Yes, precisely. Do you have any questions, class?
None, ma'am.
If you don't have any question, get your math notebook and do these activities. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity.
Done, ma'am.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Number 2. Yes, Samantha. Yes, Ira. Number 3. Yes, Tisha. Okay, let's check. For number 1, 3.14 we got 3.4 times 114 is equal to 113.4. So number 2, 452.16. Number 3, 803.84. So for the score, 1 for the radius, 1 for the diameter, 1 for the area, and 2 points for the solution. For number 1, 5 points, 2, 5 points, and 3, 5 points. For all in all, is 15 points. So for the next activity, okay, can you read class?
The road connecting a road to a pole is 8
called area and perimeter of a circle. We can find circles everywhere we go. Wheels, wheels, levels, pizza, plate are some examples of circle. But mathematically, what is circle? Well, circle is a set of all points that are equal distance or the same distance from a center point. Now let's define first some parts of the circle. First, we have an original point that we started with it in drawing the circle, and it is called the center point. Next is the radius. Radius is the distance from center point to any other points of the circle. Another important part of the circle is the diameter. If you start to draw a line from one point of the circle to the center point and to another side, the distance is called diameter. In other words, diameter is just a two radius lines drawn in exactly opposite direction. So those are some important parts of a circle. Also remember that all the equidistant points we drew, if you combine, it will form the perimeter of a circle. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is just a distance all the way around the circle. The perimeter of a circle has a special name. It is called the circumference. So basically, circumference of a circle is just the distance of all points all the way around the circle. You need to remember all the parts of the circle because we need it in solving the circumference and the area of the circle. Yes, you heard it right. Let me first introduce to you one of the most important mathematical number. And this is called the pi. Well, that is kind of pi. The pi that I mean is spelled as P and I, which refers to a special number. So if it is a special number, then what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 3.14, a round-up value of pi into two decimal places. Also, pi has a Greek symbol, and it looks like this. Some people just use this symbol to represent pi to be infinitely accurate. So that's what pi is all about. Now you already know the parts of the circle and pi, so you are now ready to solve the circumference and the area of the circle. The formula in finding the circumference of the circle is just a circumference equal to pi times diameter. Same with some formulas, we need to use abbreviation to easily memorize it. Let's use C for the circumference, and then the symbol of pi and letter D for the diameter. So the formula will look like this. So if we know the diameter of the circle, we just need to multiply it by, and then we get the circumference of the circle. To further understand it, let's have an example. Find the circumference of the circle if it has a diameter of 8 inches. In the problem, the diameter of the circle is given, and we also know the formula in finding the circumference of the circle. So let's write down the formula. And then plug in the values. Also, let's just use 3.14 as the value of pi times the diameter, which is 8 inches, which is equal to 25.12. Therefore, the circumference of the circle is 25.12 inches. Now let's have another example. Regine is playing hula hoop. She suddenly wonders what the circumference of the hula hoop is. She measures the diameter of the hula hoop, which is 44 inches. Now what is the circumference of the hula hoop? Now let's help you find the circumference of the hula hoop. Let's find first what are the given in the problem. It is stated in the problem that the diameter of hula hoop is 44 inches. Using that diameter, we can now find the circumference of the hula hoop. Therefore, the circumference of the hula hoop is 138.16 inches. Good job, you helped me find the circumference of the hula hoop. Now you already know how to compute the circumference of the circle. Let us now solve the area of the circle. Okay. Area of a circle is the number of square units inside the circle. Based on the definition, we cannot conclude that the formula in finding the area of the circle is just pi times radius squared. Again, let's use abbreviation in writing the formula. Let's use A for the area and R for the radius. So the equation will look like this. So, for example, if you have a circle with a radius of 3 meters, then the equation will become area equal to 5 times 3 squared. Again, let's use 3.14 as the value of 5. Therefore, the area of the circle is 28.26 square meters. Now let's have another example. A while ago, we helped Regine find the circumference of her hula hoop. Now she wanted to find also the area of the hula hoop. Again, the diameter of her hula hoop is 44 inches. Let's help Regine find the area of her hula hoop. In the problem, the diameter of 44 inches is given, but the area of the circle uses radius, so how can we solve it? Again, let's go back to the definition of the diameter. The diameter is just 2 times the radius. Therefore, to get the radius in the hula, we need to divide the diameter into 2. So 44 divided by 2 is equal to, yes, 22. We now have a radius which is equal to 22 inches. Again, what is the formula of the area? That's right, area is equal to 5 times radius squared. To make it short, area is equal to 5 times r squared, where 5 is 3.14. Therefore, the area of the hula hoop is 1519.76 or 1519.76 inches squared. So that's the area of the hole of the hula hoop. Good job, you helped me in finding the area of our hula hoop. Congratulations, now you already know how to calculate the circumference and area of the circle. Fun fact also, to memorize the formula of the area, just remember to say 5r squared even though 5 squared is really round. Amazing, right? That's it guys, I hope you learned a lot about circles. You can also watch other video tutorials here on our channel. Once again, this is easy engineering. We make engineering topics easy and fun for you.
So do you have any questions about the lesson, the video that you watched, guys?
None.
If you don't have questions, get one blue sheet of paper and let's have a quiz. Big flash.